Dear students of class 9, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. Today I will give you the solution of Unit 7, Lesson 7 and 8 MCQ and question answer. Now my first item is MCQ. Here the word number A. In number A we find the MCQ. The word revolution can be replaced by, the correct answer is cycle. The word revolution can be replaced by cycle. B. Which of the following statements is true about Jobs? Number 4 here is correct. He brought about a revolutionary change in the business of computer. Number C. Jobs is also a dash of picture animation studios. Correct answer is co-organizer. Jobs is also a co-organizer of picture animation studios. Number D. Which is not true about Jobs? Number 3 is here correct answer. Jobs was thrown out of Apple in 1985. This statement is false about Jobs. Number E. He served as a dash of the company's Apple stores, iTunes stores and the App stores too. Now the correct answer of this gap is supervisor. He served as a supervisor of the company's Apple stores, iTunes store and the App stores too. Number F. How would you explain the sentence Jobs' dream to be anywhere, anytime became a reality? Number 3 is here correct answer. His dream to be everywhere throughout the world materialized. That means come into reality, materialized. This one is the correct answer. Number G. What is the purpose of the author of the text? What is the purpose of the author of this text? Number 3 is the correct answer here. To represent the success of an extraordinary talent, Stephen Paul Jobs, in computer business. This one is correct answer here. Now I will discuss with you the question answer. The first question is here, what is next? Answer is, next was another computer company founded by Jobs after he had left Apple. It was specialized in education and business market. Then B. After reading the first para, what according to you was the specialty of Jobs? The answer is, Steve Jobs earned fame because of his career in the electronics sphere of computers and consumers, and this was only feasible through the marketing of Apple computers. The specialty of Steve was that he was the pioneer of the personal computer revolution. This one is the answer of number B. Number C. The question is, he was the pioneer of the personal computer revolution. Why does the author say this? And answer is, the author says this to mean that Jobs contributed greatly to the personal computer. He supervised the development of iMac, iTunes, iPod, iPhones and iPad. These devices being very simple and user-friendly, even a child can operate them. Okay, number D. What happened to Apple when Jobs left this company? What happened to Apple when he left this company? Answer is, when Jobs left this company, it went to almost bankruptcy due to the failure of introduction of any new operating system during Jobs' absence. Okay. Now the last question. Why is Jobs regarded as a visionary leader? The probable answer is, Jobs is regarded as a visionary leader because he has changed people's perspective towards the computer and how they use it, consume personal media and how they communicate with each other. He has made the dream of being anywhere, anytime a reality. Then what is the answer here? I again repeat this. Jobs is regarded as a visionary leader because he has changed people's perspective towards the computer and how they use it, consume personal media, and how they communicate with each other, he has made the dream of being anywhere, anytime a reality. Now I'll go to lesson 8 to give you the answer of MCQ and question answer. In lesson 8, the first MCQ is the closest meaning of the word abandoned is forsaken. Okay, forsaken. The closest meaning of the word abandoned is forsaken. Here is the correct answer. Number B, which of the following words best describes jobs? Extraordinary. This term actually best describes jobs. Number C, Steve was dash at birth. Steve was deserted at birth. He was forsaken or he was left alone actually at birth. Number D, which one is true about Imogen Hill? Number 2 here is correct answer. She treated and taught jobs very tactfully and sympathetically. Okay. Now number E, Steve's teacher Miss Hill soon understood how to dash him, how to control him. Number 1 here is the correct answer. Number F, the phrase his desire for complete control of whatever he makes denotes that this first one here is the correct answer. He was determined, positive, and a perfectionist. Okay, he was determined, positive, and a perfectionist. Now number G. The question of number G is what message do we get from the passage? Correct answer is number 1. Love and incentive is an important inspiration for a child. Love and incentive is an important inspiration for a child. Now I will discuss with you on question answer. The first question of lesson 8 in number A was, what problem did Jobs face at school? The probable answer is, at school, Jobs found that he knew everything that the teachers taught him, so he got bored and engaged himself in various pranks to overcome his boredom. Okay, number B. The question is, write in brief about Jobs' early childhood. The answer is, Jobs was abandoned by his parents at birth. A car mechanic, Paul Jobs, and his wife Clara Jobs adopted him. From the very beginning, they made him realize that he was very special to them and they had chosen him as their own child. The question of number C is, do you support that Jobs' parents and his teacher Imogen Hill contributed greatly to his education and intellectual growth? Answer is yes, I completely support that is mentioned in the question. They never acted against his mentality, rather they made him feel that he was chosen and very special. His teacher Imogen Hill also very tactfully dealt with him in his student life. Now number D. How did Imogen Hill control Steve? Answer is, Imogen Hill first observed Steve very closely, then she understood how to control him. She could convince him to do things or anything in return of money and food. I repeat the answer again. Imogen Hill first observed Steve very closely, then she understood how to control him. She could convince him to do things in return of money and food. Now the last question is, what did the school propose Steve to do at the end of grade 4? What did the school propose Steve to do at the end of grade 4? Answer is, at the end of grade 4, the school proposed that Steve should skip 2 classes and go directly into grade 7. Okay, this one is the answer of this question. I repeat this again. At the end of grade 4, the school proposed that Steve should skip 2 classes and go directly into grade 7. I hope you can check this answer with you. I hope you all will be okay and nice. So keep well and keep in good health. I pray for you all. So today I end with this last question. So be happy and keep in good health. Once again, Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.